Hello again. Okay, so now I'm going to be making a gazpacho today. So this is a nice, quick, easy. It's already cut up. You cut up the fruits. The fruits and vegetables and stuff, and you just put it in the blender. And we're going to just blend it and let it refrigerate for a couple hours, and then it's ready to go. In here, I'm going to put in. I'm putting in 2 pounds of. It's actually 2.5 pounds of tomatoes. A nurse gave me a bunch of these tomatoes that I'm doing a clinical trial with. And figure it's a good way to use them. So, okay, this is going to be more than my blender can handle, so I'm going to have to do this in bunches. Just for blending purposes, and so we're going to stick that on. And put her up here. Blend away. Okay. Now I need to figure out something to put this in. Let's see. I don't think I have anything that's big enough. Let me see. I can put in this for now. Go a little bit lighter this time. Get the rest of the tomatoes in there. I'm going to dump the juice in too. That way I don't have to add as much water. To that, I'm going to add in some of the cucumber. This cucumber was ginormous. Even without the skin, this is almost a pound of cucumber. So, stick those in. And they have plenty of water in this. And since I don't want this to spill, I'm going to put it over here. Same reason doing that. Think about having the water in the refrigerator. That should be good. Yeah, this is pretty full, so I don't want to blend it too long. Okay, there's that. Now to the rest. Next up, we have the smaller stuff, so adding in, I don't have a lot of room left in that bowl anyway, so gonna add the bell pepper in, the celery, and the garlic. That's one bell pepper. This is one orange bell pepper. I'm using orange because of Halloween coming up. And then we're using 2 celery stalks, 1 head of garlic. I'm using the full head because I have garlic that's already peeled and it doesn't last very long once it's been opened. And so there's 1/4 cup of olive oil. Four tablespoons of the, this is cooking sherry, or sherry vinegar. This is 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika that I'm adding in. And I am not adding in the salt that I was going to. Feel free to add it in if you want. I'll add the rest of this in. And it should work better. Combine this with the rest and stick it in the fridge. Mix it up. Give it a taste. We'll see how it is. That's gonna be good. Okay. So this goes in the refrigerator for 2 hours and then we're ready to serve. You can drizzle it with oil. You can add on some basil, some parsley, some thyme, whatever you want to add on for decoration. It's good to go. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.